Hey guys, it's Claris and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pretty quick video. I'm just going to be doing a gel manicure on myself and I'm going to show you guys how I do that and the different products I'm going to be using. So let's get right into it. So first, to prepare my nails, I use an e-file with a diamond bit and just use that to take off the gel polish color I already had on my nails. You could also soak it off or file it off, but I found I was comfortable enough using my e-file to do this this way. And then some of the polygel on the nails had grown out, so I just filled in the ones that needed it. And then I used a file to just go over the surface one more time, make sure there wasn't any bits of blue gel polish left, to make sure the surface was nice and smooth. As you guys may have noticed, my nails are looking a little bit shorter. I actually used a nail clipper to cut down some of the length of the polygel. I had long nails for a little while and I thought it would be time for a change, so I just took them down to a shorter almond shape. So before we apply gel polish, I'm just taking a manicure brush and just pumping a little bit of nail plate sanitizer onto them. This is just a mixture of alcohol and acetone, and I'm just using the brush to scrub over the nails as well as getting under the nails. And I just found this to be helpful for getting rid of all that dust in between all the little crevices and making sure the nails were clean. So a little while back I did a review of Drizzle Beauty's gel polish manicure kit for at home, and today I'm going to be painting my nails with the color Flow. This is a really gorgeous taupe color. So here is the color, and before applying I'm just making sure to shake it up pretty well. And I do really like working with this polish because it is very thick and really easy to control. It really stays where you want it to, it doesn't run all over. So as you can see, I was pretty easily able to get the product very close to the sides of the nail as well as the cuticle area. So I was happy about that. So I'm just going along and polishing all of the nails, making sure to take my time. And if I got any of it on the skin, I can just use a toothpick or a cleanup brush to clean that off. So now it's time to cure the polish. I'm going to be selecting the 30-second option on my Drizzle Beauty lamp here, placing my hand inside. I find it very spacious and comfortable, and this lamp as well does not have a base, so that makes it very easy and portable. So once the nails have finished curing, this is what they look like. I'm going to take the polish and go in for a second coat. Now with the second coat, what I'm really just doing is making sure the color is fully opaque, which isn't that hard for this color. It is very intense, but with the second coat, I find it often goes a lot faster, and I find you do not have to cap the free edge in the second coat as well. If you did it well enough in the first coat, I find it can make the free edges of the nails look a little bit bulky if you cap the free edge on both coats, but maybe that's just because I have a pointed almond shape. Where I find I sometimes go wrong in the second coat is applying too much product, and this is pretty easy to avoid, and you definitely don't want to glob it on because it will wrinkle when you are trying to cure it. So now I have here the matte top coat, and this is included in the gel polish kit. I'm just going to take the top coat and apply it to the nails. And you want to make sure you cover the whole nail so that it is all turned matte. Also just making sure to use enough product so that it covers the nail smoothly. Then I'm going to cure that, and within the first couple seconds of putting your hand in the lamp, the color turns matte, and I'm just going to make sure I cure that for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to actually go and do my other hand. So now you can watch me paint my hand left-handed. So just like before, I'm doing 2 coats of the gray color, and then I'm doing the matte top coat to finish off. Now once I have both of the hands done, this color definitely looks really cool matte, but I'm just going to up this look a notch and do some rhinestones. I was inspired from one of the older designs I did a while back, gem placement I did there, so I'm going to basically recreate that for this one. You can really do this with whatever rhinestones or gems that you have, but for this one I'm going to use 2 small silver crystals, 2 of the pearl ones, and then a couple of these square gold ones, and then I have these little circle glitters. Honestly, they were pretty easy to take out because I just opened the container and they just all flew out for me. So I'm going to start off by using Model 1's nail glue. This glue dries really fast, so I'm only really applying it where I will be putting a rhinestone because otherwise it will dry way before I get there. So I made sure I had all my rhinestones out, and here I'm just placing them. You guys can see you can just do this with anything that you have. I'm just doing a pretty simple cuff around the cuticle area and then a little line of it down the center about halfway down the nail. So that's how it looked, and I loved it, so of course I had to do it on my other hand as well. So here is the finished look I created, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed, maybe got inspired to try out. I don't do matte nails very much, but whenever I do, I always seem to love them, and I'm right now still wearing these. But yeah, I absolutely love the jeweled look on the matte nails. So pretty, really a very versatile look. So if you are interested in any of the products I use here today, I will have links for you below. I do have a 10% off coupon code for Drizzle Baby if you're interested in any products from them. I'll have that below. And yeah, so thank you again for watching. Feel free to subscribe if you're not already to my channel for a video every Wednesday. And until next time, have a magical day.